3, 2, 1.
I am sweating like a pig. Here's a sock. I just said he and then that's she, but whatever. I do want to kind of spruce it up a little bit. There. Today on Casey's Garage, we're going to finish up this 2013 Sorento that we spent 2 days detailing. And let's just turn around here. And let's just take another look at this. I am very pleased with how this paint came out. Of course, it looked good before, but it just needed a good polish, and it is shiny. And we put some plastic restore down there to blacken up the plastics and make it rich looking. I mean, this car looks good if you ask me. But anyway, what we need to do is fix this backup camera, because when you put it in reverse, it just goes to a black screen. Hey, what's up? And right there is our problem, most likely. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but the lens is just kind of corroded. And after doing a little bit of research, I guess this is a common failure point on the camera systems. I ordered a brand new one off eBay. It's like $60 or $70, I don't remember. And we're gonna plug it in and see if it takes care of our issue. All right, so it's gonna be fun to try to record this because it's gonna be upside down here. But what we need to do is take all the screws out. You can see in the hole, there's Phillips in there. And take this back cover off the tailgate to get us access to that trim piece right here that holds on the camera. There we go. What do you think of that angle? I think that's about the best we're gonna be able to do. But let's go ahead and get a screwdriver. Looks like there's a couple of clips here we got to pop off and get this cover off. All right, there's really no way to get you guys in here, so I'm just gonna show you real quick what we're gonna be working with. So we gotta take these nuts off in here. It looks like they're tins, 4 of them. And then that should hold, I believe, that should hold this on. All right, so I've got all the nuts off. And if you can see right there, there's these plastic clips that are coming through. There's one there, and there's one down here, which I already got kind of pushed back through. Those are a booger to get to. So I'm still working on this one, and once that's out, I should be able to pull that whole cover off. All right, screwdriver does the trick. All right, and right here is our backup camera, so we need some Torx, and then I'll plug it right here, and then we should be able to plug in our new one. All right. Get it open. There we go. work. No idea. It's supposed to work. Got the same connector. Everything's the same there. Oh yeah. So that's gonna go in. Okay. There. Stupid thing. Yeah, I would say that's why it doesn't work. Look at all the corrosion around this camera. It's crazy. Yeah, look how much deeper that bracket is. There's no way that's gonna work. So we'll use the old bracket. It's all corroded on here. Nasty. I'll be right back. I want to take a wire brush and clean this up real quick. Alright, so I got the old bracket onto the new camera. Let's see if it will actually go. Just going to get them started and then check the camera, make sure it's where it's at, where it needs to be. Can I get in the hole? Yeah, it's in the hole. That looks good. So what we're going to do now is just plug it in and make sure it works before we put it all back together. All right, so let's let it hang free. Let's get in the car and see if we got a backup camera. Uh-oh. Kia Motors. Agree. Agree. Still agree. English. Why are you not agreeing? There it goes. Alright, so we put it in reverse. Yay! We've got a backup camera! Awesome. Well, at least it works. Whoa, why are we going backwards? Alright, let's button it up and we'll be done. Alright, one other thing you have to take off in order to get to one of the nuts. Where's it at? There we go, that nut up there I'm pointing at, which takes off that trim piece on the back that holds the camera. You have to remove this weight, which is just 3 nuts to get to it. So I think I forgot to show that when I was taking it off, but pretty self-explanatory on how to put it back on. And it's hard to do this with one hand. All right, so I'll tighten these up and then we'll be ready to put the plastic trim piece back on. All right, I think now we just got the handle. All right, that's it. So now we gotta put those plastic containers in. Right here. All right, now that's it. Sweet. So I've got to put my tools away, clean up my mess. And there we go. The Kia Sorento is finished. We got that camera replaced. We got it fully detailed. We got it serviced. It's ready to move on to its next owner. And if you're new to the channel and you want to see more videos like this, where we source, repair, and flip the vehicles, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now, before we end this video, let's go ahead and include some pictures of the final results.